lollipop. Stop! It's the Y bird stop.
Oh, hello. That's a funny sound, isn't it? Do you know what letter makes that sound? It's the letter U.
Up. Under. Underneath. Underline. Underground. Underwater. Upside down. Umbrella. Unlucky. Unlock. Undressed. Underwear. Upright.
Down, hop, down, hop, down, hop. Oh, the grand old Duke of York. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Come on, join in this time. Here we go. Oh, the grand old Duke of York. He had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill. And he marched them down again. And when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down. And when they were only halfway up, they were neither up nor down. Hey!
Hello. Did you see why just then? What's she up to?
The grand old Duke of York.
Hey?
Well, when they were up, they were up. And when they were down, they were down.
Oh, of course. Hey, I've got a riddle for you. What goes up when the rain comes down?
The price of cucumbers.
No. Any idea? I'll give you a clue. Umbrellas go up when the rain comes down.
dear, look at that umbrella. Must be full of holes. It's letting all the rain through.
There's something wrong with all these cars. See if you can spot what's wrong before Y does. So, that umbrella's got holes in it.
Yes.
How about this one?
Oh, look at that aeroplane. It's got wings like mine.
That's right.
I hope it doesn't flap. Everyone will get a very bumpy ride.
Aeroplanes don't have wings like that, do they? How about this one?
Is that supposed to be an armchair?
Yeah, I think so. But armchairs don't have that sort of arm, do they?
No.
How about this one?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Osser. Now, why has it got osser on it, eh?
I think it's got something to do with that banana.
Oh, silly me. Why didn't I spot that?
What about this one?
I know.
What?
Table legs don't have shoes on.
Why, look, tables don't have people legs like that, do they?
Yes.
They have table legs.
Silly me.
How about this one?
Well, it's a table. And it's got table legs.
Yep.
And it's got a table top. Oh, I give in.
You don't put flowers in a boot, do you?
Oh, no.
That's a Wellington boot. Goes
Not
at the
unless
end.
you've broken all your vases.
Maybe. How about this one?
Is that the right way round, Simon?
I think so.
Oh, well, it looks like a teapot.
Yeah, I think you'd have a bit of trouble pouring your tea from that, wouldn't you?
Oh, yes.
Look, the spout's the wrong way round. Hey, how about this one?
Well, is that one upside down as well?
No, I don't think so. Look, the chimneys are at the top.
Oh, yes.
I think they've put the door and the window the wrong way round.
Well, I'd be able to fly up there, but you wouldn't.
No. How about this one?
No. You don't use a brush like that for your hair, do you?
No. Use a
I
little
dunno.
comb, don't you? How about this one, friend of yours?
Oh, look at him, what a silly duck.
Ducks don't wear Wellington boots, do they?
Oh, it's tickled me, that one has.
How about this one, why?
What? Oh, he hasn't got it plugged in.
Why? You don't use a kettle to iron, do you?
No, not unless you want a steam iron.
Here we are, here's the last one. What do you think of this one?
Oh, well, there's no goal posts there, is there?
Why? Look, it'd be quite difficult to play football with that. Look, the ball's got a bit missing.
Oh, yes, it's only half there.
There's something wrong with this jack in the box as well. A jack in the box that doesn't pop up. Sounds like a case for Dr. Dilly.
Whoa! Ah, hello there. Ever seen one of these before? This one I got a bit tangled up, so I straightened it out. And it seems to tumble down the steps all right now. Ah! Yes, you know, my life's full of ups and downs, especially last week. A boy called Oliver came in to see me with his dad. Now, Oliver was looking a little bit downhearted. "Hello, young man," I said. "What's up?" "Well, that's the trouble, Dr. Dilly," started Oliver. "Nothing's up, but it should be. Look." And he showed me a lovely jack-in-the-box like this. Ah, I tried it out. Oh, but nothing happened. "What's up with this?" I said. "Well, you see," said Oliver's dad, "Oliver's played with it so much that he's worn it out. I think the best thing to do is to throw it away and get him a new one for his birthday next month." "Oh, dear me, no," I said. No, there's no need for that. I'm sure I can fix it." "Anyway," said Oliver, "I don't want a new one. I like this one." "Yes. Leave it with me, Oliver," I said, "and pop back this afternoon." So Oliver and his dad went off to have a look round the museum down the road. Now then, I opened the lid and saw the puppet inside, so I decided I'd have to take the puppet out. Now this is a bit tricky because I didn't want to damage it, but using my knife, I carefully levered it out, that's it, and put it to one side. Ah, yes, I said to myself as I looked inside the jack-in-the-box. Yes, I can see what's happened. The spring has got stretched out of shape and won't shoot up anymore. So, I reached for my special toy-mending pliers and pulled out the spring. Ah, got it. And there it is. Now, I opened my drawer and got out my box of spare springs. I had all sorts of different shapes in here. I had some little ones and a great big long one. Oh, and look at this big fat one I had too. But at last, I found one to match the old spring from the jack-in-the-box. So I put the box away. And then I reached for my extra strong glue. And I dabbed some on the bottom of the spring, like that, and popped it into the jack-in-the-box to stick on the bottom. That's it. And then I put some more extra strong glue on the top of the spring, like this. Now that was to hold the puppet. Now it's going to be a bit tricky trying to thread the puppet back onto the spring because I had to wind her costume round the spring. That's it. Lovely. And then I pushed the puppet into the jack-in-the-box. Whoops, and closed the lid. Now, I put the jack-in-the-box under my counter for the glue to dry hard. Later on that afternoon, I was enjoying a nice cup of tea and a biscuit. Custard creams, they're my favourite. When the shop bell rang. Ah! It was Oliver and his dad coming back. "Hello, young man," I said. "Hello, Dr. Dilly," called out Oliver. "Have you mended my jack-in-the-box?" "I certainly have," I said. "Here, take a look." "Oh, can I try it out, please?" said Oliver. "Oh, yes, do," I said. "You know, I'd rather like to see it shoot up myself." "Ah, wow, brilliant," said Oliver. "Well, I'm glad you're pleased," I said. "Thanks, Dr. Dilly. You're absolutely wonderful." "Well, I do try my best," I said. "After all, I have got a reputation to keep up." Toodaloo for now. Boing.
Oh dear, my giddy aunt. Did you see that one pop up? Oh, it gave me quite a shock, that did. Hey, I've got an idea. Would you like to play a popping up game with me? Right. Well, I'm going to pop down here, and then you've got to say now when you think I'm going to pop back up. All right? Right. I'm going to pop off now. Are you ready? Are you steady? Woo! Now, did you get it? Should we do it again? Right, I'm going to pop off. Bloop, 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 bloop. And then... Now! Right, I'm going down again. And I'm back dead quick. 1, 2, 3, 4... Here I am. And again, last time now. Now, I popped up and I popped down.
Clap your hands, everyone together. Clap your hands as the music goes around. Clap your hands, everyone together. Clap your hands, pop, pop, pop down. Hey, your turn, White.
Right, here we go then. Flap your wings, everyone together. Flap your wings as the music goes round. Flap your wings, everyone together. Flap your wings, pop, pop, pop down.
Right, how about nodding your head this time?
Oh, all right then.
You ready? Nod your head, everyone together. Nod your head as the music goes around. Nod your head, everyone together. Nod your head, pop, pop, pop down. Hey, what? Let's put them all together this time. Clap your hands, flap your wings, and nod your head.
Okay then.
You ready? Clap your hands, everyone together. Flap your wings as the music goes around. Nod your head, everyone together. Nod your head, pop up.
Pop down.
Hey, where's she popped off to? Anyway, it's time for us to get back on the bus. Hey, but next time you're out in the rain, see how many umbrellas you can spot. See you, bye.
Well, I've popped up here. Now, don't forget today's letter. Oh. It's the letter U. Bye-bye.
Up. Under. Underneath. Underline. Underground. Underwater. Upside down. Umbrella. Unlucky. Unlock. Undressed. Underwear.